guys, welcome to another tutorial of Kiki's Art. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a model magic penguin. The materials you'll need is this amount of black model magic for the body, wings, and pupils for the eyes. You'll also need this amount of white model magic for the belly and eyes. For the beak and feet, you'll need this amount of orange model magic. So once you get your materials, we can get started. So to start off our penguin, we'll need to take our black ball of model magic and split it and take like a quarter out of it, maybe a little less. Roll the quarter into a ball like this. Roll this bigger part into a ball like that. Now with this big ball, we want to make it into a kind of egg shape. So we take the end and roll it out a bit like this to make it into this kind of little pointed at the top and big and round at the bottom. Now with this, we need to split it into two for the wings. So roll it out into a cylinder and split it into, well, as much as you can make into equal balls, like that. And if there's one bigger, like this one's bigger for me, you can take a bit off of it, like this much, and then I can make that into the pupils. So we can put that to the side because we're not going to make that now. And so now we have to make the stomach. So let's take our white Play-Doh and take a little bit off of it, like this much from this, and put it over to the side. And now roll this into a ball and do the same as you did to this. Put it a little pointed at the top, like that. Then squish it flat, maybe a little wider at the sides, into this. Now we take this black body and put the white stomach on top of it and flatten it out. Like this. So now we need to make the wings. So take one of the other black small balls and roll it out into a teardrop shape. Then flatten it. So it will look like this. Now take it and put it onto one of the sides and let the tip hang out a little bit like this. And do the same to the other ball. Put it into a teardrop shape, flatten it. Then put it on the other side and make it look like that. So now we should make the eyes. So take the leftover white and split it into two equal pieces, like this, and roll them into balls. Then with one of them, squish it down flat, but not too flat. I did it a little bit too flat. You need to make it a little thick, like a thick pancake. Like that. Now, take this guy and put the eye right about here. So it looks like that. Then, take the other one, flatten it, not too flat, then put it about beside the other eye. So it looks like this. Now it looks kind of weird without the pupils, so we take the little black leftover, roll it out, and divide it into 2 equal pieces. And so it's like this. Then flatten it out, not too flat, just like the white. Then put it on top of the white. Make sure it's a little smaller than the white pancake, so it looks like that. Then do the same to the other one. So it's just like that. So now it looks like 2 eyes. Now, we need the beak and feet, of course. So we take our orange and take a little bit off of it and roll it into a ball like this. Then make it into a teardrop shape like we did to the wings and flatten it out so it looks like that. Then put it right below the eyes with the rounded part facing up and the pointed part towards the stomach. Now we need to make the feet. So take the rest of the orange, split it into 2 equal pieces, and roll them both into a ball. So it looks like that. Now, flatten out one and take anything with a thin side to it and add 3 indents. 1, 2, or you can do 2 because I did 2. So it looks like that. And then you take this and with the indents facing out, put it underneath the penguin, just like that, on one side. So it looks like that. Then do the same to the other one. So flatten it out, make 2 indents, so it looks like that. Then put it underneath the other side of the penguin. So it looks like that. Almost finished. So this is, you can always leave it like this, so it just looks like a normal penguin, or you can make it holding a fish in its mouth, just like this guy. See, but I'm just going to show you how. So to make a fish, take a little bit from a tiny ball of gray, like just this small, and flatten out the bigger piece into a kind of oval flat piece, and to this smaller piece make it into a kind of triangular shape and flatten it so it looks like that. Then with this, put a point from the triangle piece underneath the oval So it looks like that. And to make the little details, take an edge thing again and put 2 lines on the side. Then 2 lines across. Just like that. So it looks like that. Then, to make a little X eye, make a little X for the eye. So it looks like that. Little dead fish. So then you need to pull up the beak, then put the fish underneath it, just like that. So it makes it look like it's holding a little fish in its mouth. So if you want your penguin to have a bow, this is totally extra, you don't have to do it, you can just leave it like this. So to make a bow, you can take a little bit of pink Model Magic and split it into 3 pieces. 2 of the pieces can be smaller than the big main piece. So put the main piece aside, and with one of the smaller pieces, make it into a kind of triangle shape. Then flatten it out so it looks like this. Then you do it with the other small piece. Make a little triangle shape, flatten it out so it looks like that. Then with the big main piece, first roll it into a ball and then flatten it so it's like a big pancake. Then with the 2 small triangles, put the 2 points together so it looks like that on the triangles. Then take the big main piece and put it right in the center, covering where they connect. So it looks like this little bow. And you can put it on the side of the penguin's head, wherever you want, like that. If you don't want to add any of these things, you can just leave it without the fish or the bow. That's my penguin. I hope you liked the video. If you want to comment, just comment down below in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.